Today we're going to talk about 5 types of videos you need to be doing to market your business. What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan Weber and I do video marketing for businesses, which is what brings us to this video of how to market your business with videos. You're in a great spot. I'm going to talk to you today about 5 essential videos that we use in our video marketing for our clients to help you market your business a little bit better. Getting right into it, number 1, the first video we are going to talk about is a brand video. This brand video is kind of what I consider the top of the funnel video. This is a video that you use for brand awareness. You're using it to create attention. You're using it to tell who you are, what you do, and ultimately what your business is. It helps people just kind of relate to your story. And I also really like it because it's really good looking. Brand videos are staple videos. It is a pillar video that you would use in your just marketing. And so it's something that can go on your website. It can go on all of your social media platforms. It can go at the bottom of your email tagline so people can click and see who you are. It is really just this staple video to say who you are and what your business does to build that emotional connection with your potential clients. The number 2 type of video you can be using is an educational or FAQ video. You get asked questions all the time from people. Well, answer their questions. That's what this video is for. So whenever you can answer these how-tos or tips or helpful things, answering their questions before they ask them to you, and they go and search it, and then your video pops up number 1 and you've helped them before they've ever even reached out to you and you've done it for free, they're much more likely to use your business or service for a problem that they need to pay money for. I like to do these in kind of depends on where you're going to use it, 60 seconds maybe for like a Facebook or Instagram, going into 3 to 5 minutes when you're more on YouTube. It can go all the way up to 10 minutes if it's more in depth, but I really like this how-to educational FAQ video. It can live on your website, all of those kind of things that really just helps answer your clients' questions before they actually ask them to you. The number 3 video you can use is a meet the team video. If you have employees or if it's just you, do something that allows people to meet the people that they would potentially be working with. It just builds this human connection. I don't want it to be stuffy. We don't need to know your years of experience and what you did for schooling and where you graduated from. No one wants to know that. Tell me about your favorite ice cream. If you got a cool golden doodle like me, throw them on there. Have them sitting in the lap with the person with the Meet the Team video. It's going to allow for a much better human connection with your potential client. Hey, so if you're getting value from this video, go ahead, go down, click the subscribe button because I want to help other business owners with business marketing tips for their videos. Also, let me know, are you using any videos in your business yet? If you are, go down, comment, and let me know what style of video that you are using in your business. All right, let's get back to the video. So number 4, the number 4 type, and I'm doing these in order of where I say they are important. Number 4 type of video is an ad video or a call to action video. So I don't really like doing specific ad or call to action videos. I like providing value and having awareness and really just building a human connection and emotion with potential clients. However, certain industries, call to actions, ads, telling people to take some sort of action, there is a huge benefit to having these videos. People don't typically do things unless they're told to or asked to do things. So these call to action videos are things that tell them what to do. Click here, sign up here, buy my thing, XYZ. So these are typically a little more scripted. These are a little more specific, driving them to a specific location, but they are valuable in a business. I just don't like using them frequently. So if you have ad videos or call to action videos, don't make this your only video. Make this number 4 on the list after you've done all the other 3 that I've already talked about. And the number 5 video, hold on, we get a bonus, don't leave after this one. Number 5 video is what we call brand awareness. I've got it written on my phone here. Attention grabbing brand awareness video. What that really means to me and my team is we're gonna shoot some cool B-roll. We're gonna make you look really, really cool. All we're trying to do is get more eyeballs on your content. That's all it truly is. It's trying to make you look cool. So when people are scrolling on their phones, they stop and say, oh, that's a cool video. If you see an accountant with a really cool office B-roll sequence, you're gonna stop and be like, man, those guys look pretty cool. I wanna check out more of their content. So what you're trying to do is just get them into your ecosystem so you can then possibly retarget with ads showing your educational FAQ type videos. So now you can kind of get them into your ecosystem because you've grabbed their attention. Now you've got to earn their attention by helping them further along with more of those educational style videos. So the bonus video that you can be using is if you have a business that has visual appearance changes, you must, and this would be close to the top of my list, you must use a before and after video. Home decor designers, builders, before and after. Show what it was like, and then show what it is now after you've done it. Beautiful video, really easy to produce, but it works really, really well for those industries that have a visual change of a before and after. So I hope this video was helpful. There are many other types of videos you can be using inside of your business, but these are the top 5 that I like using to help my clients. Guys, my name is Ryan Weber, and I'll see you in the next video.